OK. Well, if you look at what's happened in the United States, their gas is 3 to 4 times cheaper than in Europe. They've had this manufacturing renaissance. They're making things again as a result of energy being cheaper, and they're nearly self-sufficient in gas. Could you see that here?
It's probably not going to be a repeat of North America. All the evidence suggests that the volumes of shale gas we'll get, even at the peak, if we're successful, if we do find and are able to produce shale gas, it won't completely copy America just because of the sheer numbers involved. But it's still beneficial, and it still means that we have to take this issue of industrial competitiveness really seriously. I mean, I think people haven't realised in Britain and Europe that the shale gas effect in America is a real challenge to European industry, British industry.
And the reason that's happened in the United States is because it's brought the cost of energy down. Are you saying it will do that here?
No, I'm saying it's probably not going to, unless we see European-wide production of shale gas at a scale that I don't think Britain itself can do. I mean, let me give you an example. When we had North Sea gas at its height, and that was going into European gas markets, it didn't really impact the price very much. What it did mean is we had energy security, we got secure supplies of gas, we got the jobs and the growth and the tax revenue. So shale gas, like North Sea gas, is a real boom to the economy and to our energy policy.
It doesn't mean anything to, because George Osborne, the Chancellor, has said shale gas could bring thousands of jobs, billions of pounds of business investment and lower energy bills.
Well, if shale gas takes off across Europe and we have the volumes that they have in America, there's going to be downward pressure on prices. Of course there would be, if you had that volume. But what I'm saying is we've got a challenge. We shouldn't just think that British and European production of shale gas will enable us to copy the American experiment. I think the challenge is deeper to energy policy. I think we have to look at the European single energy market. I think we have to look at R&D, a whole range of things to respond.
Before you get anywhere, you say if Europe, the difference will be made if Europe gets into shale gas. There is no way, given the way things currently are, that Europe is going to. I mean, the French don't want it, nor they've banned it. So have the Germans, the Dutch, the Bulgarians, the Czech Republic, and in Luxembourg they have too.
You're right, and one of the things I've been doing is making sure that the European Union doesn't try to regulate unnecessarily our shale gas industry and stop us growing, because I think when they see that we've shown you can do it in an environmentally friendly, safe and sustainable way, I think other European member states are going to say, you know what, we were wrong to ban it.